Hello, everyone. My name is Jana Hollmann, and I am with César Cabrera.
Hello, guys.
We are a student of civil engineering at the National Technological University, Paraná Regional School. Today, we are going to talk to you about the road deterioration on Delfín Huergo Street in Paraná, ecological pavement, and implementation of parking lots.
We will introduce the project by presenting the city of Paraná. The city is the capital of province of Entre Ríos. We are Province of Paraná has a total area 4974 square kilometers. We are 390,000 people live.
The city is characterized by its abundant traffic, where there is approximately one car for every 3.5 inhabitants. Paraná is divided by its municipality into 5 large units. We will focus on the northwest zone because our problem is located there.
The National Technological University Paraná Regional School is located in the northwest zone. The university is located in the Almafuerte Avenue at 1033. It offers three majors: civil, electronics, and electromechanical engineering.
Approximately 900 students attend this faculty every day. In addition, this faculty has a parking lot for approximately 75 cars and 30 motorbikes, which connects to the Delfín Huergo Street.
In continuing with street, due to large circulation vehicles, is very deteriorated with large potholes that, on rainy days, are covered with water.
In addition, this street is heavily used every day, and it is not in good conditions. Cars park in the parking lot on the Delfín Huergo Street, which does not have many space, so it fills up easily.
From this conceptualization, we are going to guide the proposal, analyzing the use of ecological pavement and the implementation of parking lots on Delfín Huergo Street.
To achieve this purpose, these presentations follow this order. Firstly, we are going to describe the problem, describing its causes and consequences. Secondly, we are going to present a solution for the problem, describing its strengths and weaknesses. And finally, we are going to have a conclusion, closing the presentation.
Because many people come to the university by car, the problem has to emphasis in the street which connects to access the university parking lot.
So the problem with this presentation is the deterioration of the road and lack of parking space on Delfín Huergo Street. In order to better imagine this problematic situation, we are described some scenes. In scene 1, we can see a big pothole, which is located just outside the entrance to the university premise. This is very dangerous because the people could damage their vehicles.
Going on the choosing, we can see how the need for parking of many vehicles causes driver to park in the place where there is dirt, because on rainy days, driver can get stuck in the mud.
In scene 3, we can see how on rainy days the problem increases. The potholes are covered with water and it is very difficult to see them. In addition, this causes difficulty traveling in the street and can cause accidents.
We are going to describe the causes for its problem. The main causes for its negative situation is the high circulation of vehicles. The street is connecting with a main avenue in Paraná. So, have great traffic than outer street.
A further cause is related to the lack of investment in pavement in the city streets. The paving and maintenance of the city is very important because this street is very busy, and for this is located next to the university premise where many people attend.
Other causes for its problem is the lack of investment in parking. The university parking lot is a few space in relation to people who attend. In addition, on rainy days, the parking lot is closed.
Now we will describe the consequence of this problem. The main consequence is related to the large circulating of vehicles can cause accidents because this street has many potholes, so the people make difficult maneuvers to avoid them.
Another causes for its problem is that the vehicle can suffer the breakdowns when circulating for Delfín Huergo Street. Because on rainy days, the potholes are covered with water, remaining invisible.
Finally, another consequence is related to the on rainy days, cars are parked and trapped in the mud. In addition, the people who park in the street don't have security because there is lack of good lighting in the street.
Below, we will present the solution of this problem. It consists in implementing the sustainable pavement. It forms from the recycled polyethylene to improve its mechanical properties.
Below, we are going to detail the sustainable material, the asphalt binder, and the asphalt mixture, and then describe the step in the process. The sustainable material is the polymer cast high-density polyethylene, which is obtained from recycled containers. It is green and it's obtained in the form of lentils, as we can see in the figure. Its size approximately 4 millimeters and its density is 0.93 kilograms per cubic decimeter.
Going on to describe the alphas used is the most meet certain characteristics. The asphalt type is used is the CA20. In addition, this material is mixed with high-density polyethylene.
Finally, to the mixture, the asphalt is preheated to the 170 degrees centigrade. The sustainable material is incorporated in proportion of 3% to the total mixture, and it is mixed until a shiny and uniform asphalt is obtained.
Now, we are describing the steps to follow in the process.
The first step is the demolition and removal of existing pavement. The existing pavement must be demolished, and in addition, remove any waste on the surface in the Delfín Huergo Street.
The second step is preparation of subbase and base. The surface must be compact with the roller. Then show add layer of gravel and add layer the crunched gravel.
The last step is the placement asphalt. For this step, The asphalt is be transported in temperature between 140 and 170 degrees centigrade. It is collocated in the surface and it is compacted. When this process is finalized, an uniform pavement is obtained.
At this point, we are talking about this strength and weakness of this project. One of the most positive aspects is that an ecological product, because their recycled material are implemented.
Another strength is the long lifespan in the street when this material is used, and this material requires little maintenance over time.
Finally, another advantage is that brings economic benefit. The use of the recycled asphalt reduces cost between 10% and 25% compared to the classic pavement.
On the other hand, this project has and weaknesses. Firstly is controlled working temperature. The temperature in this product should be controlled, unlike common asphalt.
Secondly, the quality of this pavement may vary, which generate different results in the final pavement.
Finally, another weakness is it is a new product, so the characteristics in the operation in daily use is unknown.
To close this presentation, after having laid the problem and possible solution, we are going to get a conclusion about it.
The problem of potholes and the deterioration of the road is the most problem in the city of Paraná. In this case, we emphasize this problem on the Delfín Huergo Street, as well as the lack of parking space.
To solve this problem, we are proposed the ecological solution, which promotes the use of material recyclable, for example, polyethylene, that helping to conserve the environmental and reduce the pollution.
Without further ado, we thank you for your attention.
If you have any questions, there are of course.
Finally, we leave the reference of our work. Thank you.